Transatlantic telescope was made with 340,500 miles of primary line, designed to stretch 2,876.95 miles along the ocean floor. Once the cable was in place, you could use electrical impulses and signal code to send any message you wanted to the other side of the world. Human beings are hardwired with the impulse to share our ideas and a desire to learn and heard. It's all part of our need for community. That's why we're constantly sending out signals and signs. And what we look for them from other people. We're always waiting for messages. To build a connection. And if we haven't received a message, that doesn't mean it hasn't been sent to us. Sometimes it means we haven't listened hard enough.
Okay, we already quoted the director and it's their case.
I appreciate this.
Sundays are always for the family. Just be back by 5.
Hold on a second.
Is everything all right?
Yeah.
Go get him. Go get him, Keegan. Go get him. Go get him. Go get him. Go get him. Keeks, go get her.